Champion Jets gives you competitive pricing. We receive multiple offers from jet operators, and without the fees associated with jet sharing or jet brokerage programs, you save even more. At Champion Jets, we are committed to safety above all else. Our charters and operators are FAA regulated, so you can fly with assurance and peace of mind. Whether you'd like a quick private island escape or need to take an entire sales team on retreat, we have the aircraft to meet your needs. For the most convenient, cost-effective private air travel, call Champion Jets today at 866-325-6486 or visit us at www.championjetflights.com. Wouldn't you like to avoid the hassle of commercial flights?